yelling at me. I don't like people talking to me mean or vicious and pointing the finger and all that crap. I don't like that. I don't want to be that. I want to be able to stand up for myself again.
How do you stop yourself from standing up for yourself? How do you do that? What are you afraid of? There's a fear. If I stand up for myself,
they're going to leave.
They're going to leave.
So
it's about abandonment.
They're going to leave.
Got some major abandonment stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Here.
Oh, yeah.
What's going to happen if he leaves? He leaves. Then you're back to the eating out of the cans and being poor.
I was okay before him. That's what's so confusing. It's like, you're talking about the two different sides of your brain. That's what's so confusing. I was okay before. What brings me back there to where I don't think I'm going to be okay?
No, it's not what brings me back. It's how do I bring myself back to that point. See, this is not about something outside of me. You bring yourself back to that point.
When you were talking about being in the car and trying to earn an evening's meal.
Yeah.
And you're that little girl. At least you were all together, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
At least you had a family.
Yeah.
So what do you do when you're doing okay? You pick someone and you try and make a family and you get yourself in financial trouble.
Mm-hmm.
Because that's the picture.
Mm-hmm.
That's the picture. To have somebody, I have to be struggling financially. And you get it cycled back there somehow every time. It's your pattern.
Yeah.
And that's
see,
the
it is,
pictures.
yeah.
That's the pictures we have to deal with.
Yep.
Right there, sweetie. That's what you work on all weekend.
Okay.
Those pictures.
Do you deserve anything better?
To have a family and be
Yeah,
financially
I do
secure.
deserve that. At least sometimes I think that. But yeah, I do.
So what do you tell yourself that makes you think you don't deserve it sometimes?
Is that constantly that 12 by 12 beating myself up over
No.
anything?
But how do you do that? There is no 12 by 12. You're doing it. You're thinking something. You choose to think, and you can think anything you want to think. So what are you thinking that's creating this? Do you really, really deserve?
I guess I'm still there, Doc, that I really don't think I deserve it any better than what I'm doing.
Okay. And as long as you want to believe that, that's where you're going to stay. Isn't that neat?
No.
No,
No, I know you are, Doc.
Because
I know
if
you are.
you're choosing to think it, you can think something else.
It does
And
replace
it's
you
like
got some new information here.
Yeah, okay.
Be consciously aware
Okay.
now of that picture
And I didn't
of
know.
you riding in
Okay.
the car.
Okay.
What you just told us.
Okay.
We were all riding in the car and we worked so hard. And we were together.
Yeah. And I didn't know that. Okay.
So you're really
But
consciously
can I really change it now, though, Paula?
Now that you're
I can
consciously
have-
aware of it, yeah. Now that you're consciously aware of the picture, we can work with all the feelings.
It's just a thought. It's not reality.
Okay, but it's like something is still there that's telling me I don't, that you're gonna leave me or Ray's gonna leave me if I don't do something hard enough.
It's supposed to be hard, isn't it, when you're with somebody? Isn't that what you're
And I
telling us
make
about?
it hard, though. I'm doing it, though. That's what's so frustrating, is I don't want to do it anymore.
Then let's take a look at the pictures.
Okay.
And all the feelings around them. Let's take a look at the pictures.
Okay.
Okay? Good job. Good job.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
You've never said that out loud before, honey, about how hard it was. Do you know what a secret it was that you were that poor? That is so cool. We got something to get a hold of this weekend now.
Okay, and you know how it relates because you've been dealing with me.
Yeah. It relates totally. I
Okay.
could not figure out why you take yourself down each time you fall in love. Now it makes sense.
Okay.
Okay? I am so glad.
Okay.
So great.
Okay. Okay.
It does. It makes sense now, hon.
Okay.
Yes. So she put a picture with
What? We're together and we got a rapport. That's the picture.
Oh, okay.
those doggone pictures.
I know. Those doggone pictures. Especially when we're tied up with feeling love.
Yeah.
That's where we really trip ourselves up. Because then when we try and create love, that picture pops up, and we go, oh yeah, this is the way it's supposed to feel. No, you're not little anymore. You're not capable anymore.
Well, that's what Judy told me last time at the workshop. That look at the pictures and try to change those pictures to better pictures. Or if a certain situation comes up where those feelings come up again, that picture pops up, that really helped me a lot. That really good.
Yeah, because I was just talking to somebody earlier before class today that, he said, well, logically, she doesn't make any sense. I said,
Logical.
but the picture she's carrying makes it make sense to her. And he goes,
Right.
oh. I said, it doesn't matter what the facts are.
Exactly.
This picture she's carrying at this event, that's where all her feelings are
And
coming from.
the pictures are real. Your body does not know the difference between what is real and what
Yeah,
you're picturing, what you're imagining.
Yeah. I need.
Just like a nightmare, it doesn't know, and your body reacts as if it's true all over again.
Yeah.
Put you in
I
that
felt
place
like I was really there.
What?
In your purse. Check the
Oh, for the pizzas? Yeah, it's out in my purse in my garage.
All right.
Thank you, Cheryl.
Oh, me too. Yeah.
Oh, that is such a great piece of information, Michelle.
Awesome. How'd that go?
Real. One of the neat things about the group, I think,
Yeah.
is there will be someone in the room that will touch your heart, and that may not have lived your life,
Yeah.
but they will touch your heart. They will understand what it is you're feeling, and then these pictures will start to make sense. And the minute we become consciously aware of them, whether we're still in that incompetent stage or not, or we've moved to competent, it doesn't matter, because once you get that this picture is here, and that's what's causing my feelings and my meanings and my beliefs, and that's why I'm repeating these behavior cycles. So, that's what's so cool about the group, I think, because we all get to feel together.
It's in the binder.
And that makes so much of a difference, because then you're talking, you have so many ears listening to what you're saying, and they can go, with love, they can go, well, this is what I'm hearing. Does this fit for you, maybe? And then these pieces start falling in, and you get this whole picture. Now it's not a puzzle with pieces missing. You've got a whole picture. And you go, whoa, okay, now I can make some new decisions.
Well, then it also triggers
Yeah.
feelings that you didn't even know you
I
had.
didn't even know you had.
Yeah. And it's like, whoa, why was it even feeling that way? You're not going to process, you're not going to do nothing, you're okay. And suddenly, geez, I'm not okay. After all, there's a lot going on.
I think one of the big things for me was all my life, no one acknowledges what I felt.
Yeah.
And to have someone sit here and say,
Yeah.
I hear you,
Yeah.
to actually validate
Yeah.
my feelings,
Yeah.
oh my
Family,
God.
Yeah.
I got told all my life, wait, you shouldn't feel that, or you want something to cry about, and all those kind of things. So just to have someone sit with me and go,
Yeah.
I hear what
Mhm.
what you're
Mhm.
feeling.
Just listening and not having an opinion.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's the right kind of feedback that you're getting. It's not negativity. It's just an open mind and listening to you, and that really helps.
And that the feelings are okay.
Yeah.
I never felt that feelings were okay.
No, and I won't work as hard as I have to realize that I have feelings, because I've stuffed them for so long. And now by being here and working through this stuff, I have feelings. I can feel anger, I can feel happiness, I can laugh, and it's okay. And that I don't want to let go of.
Good job. And for you, I just want you to carry with you and remember too, look how far you've come. In allowing your feelings and talking about being poor and how that felt, you gave yourself a major piece of your puzzle tonight. That's cool.
I was thinking, when you were growing up, you needed somebody to help you a kid. You needed somebody to take care of you. And abandonment